Hey friends, welcome back. If your Midea portable air conditioner suddenly stops working and shows the P1 error code, don't panic, this is actually one of the easiest problems to fix. The P1 code simply means the internal water tank is full. Your AC removes moisture from the air while cooling, and when that collected water reaches its limit, the unit shuts itself off to prevent leaks or internal damage. Before doing anything, switch the air conditioner off and unplug it from the power outlet. Safety always comes first. Next, locate the drain outlet, which is usually found near the bottom or back of the unit. Place a shallow container underneath, remove the drain cap, and allow all the water to empty out. You may need to gently tilt the unit to fully drain the tank. Once the water is completely drained, securely reinsert the drain plug and make sure it's sealed tightly. After that, plug the unit back in and restart it. In most cases, the P1 error will disappear immediately. If the error returns, check the drain hose for clogs, ensure the unit is sitting level, and clean the air filter to improve airflow. Extremely high humidity can also cause faster water buildup. If none of these steps work, the issue may be a faulty water sensor or drain pump, and professional service may be required.